guys, not sure if you can see me, but it is 4 in the morning. I am making my way to Lake Berryessa for the first KBF trail tournament. It should take me probably about an hour and 20 minutes to get there. I think official launch time is like 6 a.m., so that would give me about 45 minutes to set up. Should be good enough. Yeah, I guess once the sun starts coming up, actually the sun won't come up. It's not going to be sunrise until like 7, I think. So I don't know. I'll keep you posted as the day progresses. All right. Just walking up to the launch here, and the gate is closed, so not quite sure what to do in this situation. I guess I'll wait around a little bit, and if it gets too close to launch time, I don't know. If it gets too close to launch time, then I guess I'll have to find another place to launch.